There's the one that came off. That's good. Alright, power's off. Go ahead and open the latch. There we go. Okay, so this unit has a ECM motor, and this is the Epic volume control card for it. It also does air proving, which was the problem I had initially. There was no electric reheat. It was a too cold call. And then when I pulled the old board out, this relay here was busted. So I got the replacement and go ahead and hook it up. Alright, here's the other volume control card. This is the one I took off a week or two ago. And you can see there that the relay is defective. So the red LED indicates there's 24 volts to the card, and the green is the airflow indicator. So every time it pulses, it means 100 CFM. And up here is just part of the relay, does the air proving. So on this unit, there is no air proving switch itself. It's all done through the card. And there's our potentiometer to adjust our fan speed when it's in manual mode. This one here is TP1. This one's TP2. I'm going to see if I get my chopsticks on there and hold them with one hand, because the other hand is going to be attempting to turn the potentiometer down there. I don't think I'm going to be able to do all this together like I want to. So what I'm going to do is we'll show you what the signal is right now. Take a look at the display and the multimeter. This is my fan signal. 4.76. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the potentiometer lower. So we were at 4.76. Put my leads back on here. We got 2.9. And this card's in manual mode. And if you Well, I lost the sound on these next couple clips, so I'm just doing a voiceover. I got the electric section opened up, and I'm going to test the limit switch, because I'm still not getting any the heat to energize. It's 277. I got 277 one side of the limit switch and nothing on the other. And go ahead and pull the wires off the limit switch and do a continuity test. Gonna move my setting from volts to continuity. Go ahead and put my leads on each side of the limit switch. Take a look at the display. It just remains OL, open line, excuse me. It's bad. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but it's concave, so it's open and it's never closed again. It's a bad limit switch. I forgot the replacement now.
And put the
I'm gonna go ahead and install it.
Get electric be reconnected.
Go ahead and connect my wires.
All right, that's good. Primary CFM 370 for the maximum, the minimum 110. So we'll make sure that's what the flow settings are in the box. Heading back down to the BAS. I want to see if I get some confirmation that the heat has been restored. So right now, for here, heating set point 71. So right now it's in between the heating set point and the cooling set point. So I'm just going to drive it. As far as the thermostat. So over here, I'll put it up to like 77. Let's see if we get a temperature rise. All right, I did that, 77 in a minute or so, or quicker. All right, it's calling for heat. We'll see if we actually are gonna get a temperature rise here with using this discharge air temperature sensor. This was the too cold call that I went on a few days ago. Yep, looks like it's running fine. Already got a temperature rise here. Typically 90 degrees is good. We started at 68, we're now at 75. Let's see, the minimum is supposed to be 110 on that damper, right? 110 on primary airflow. So it's 90. Box is rated for 110, so we're gonna do that. 110, hit OK. and the max was actually 370. So I am just going to put it back on that for now until there's other time to work out some possible flow concerns. There's our 90. We good. And then usually after that, then you'll start to see your space temperature start to rise, and it'll keep calling for heat until we get to 76. Here's the heating demand, 86. So probably actually gonna get warmer, 103. My damper's gonna continue open until I get to 110 CFM flow. But we're looking good. We weren't getting reheat before, and now we are. Really appreciate you watching, and for more HVAC content, take a look up here. Appreciate if you like and subscribe. Thank you.